Great. Good to see you, Kritik. Hi, Kritik. Asmin, you also please turn on your camera. Okay, so just wanted to inform you about this demo setting. You all will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with your mentor freely. Okay, so this setting is just meant for the today's class. All right. Okay. So quickly type it in the chat box from which school and city you both are joining us.
Okay, so Asmin joining us from PIS Bhavans in Abu Dhabi. Okay.
And what about Kritik? From which school and city you are joining, Kritik? Asmin, Abu Dhabi, A should be uppercase, okay? And D should be uppercase. Okay, Kritik is from Goa. From which school, Kritik? You need to mention your school name also. Kendriya Vidyalaya. Nice, good to know that. Welcome, Shravya. All right, so hope you all are aware that this is a test series demo, right? So I'm pretty sure you must be having this question in your mind that what are test series batches, right? So for sure, I'll be going to explain you about that later on. First, I would like to inform you about the flow of session, that how we'll be going to move forward. So soon I'll be going to share a few chat links with you, which will be relevant for your course, and you'll get to know about your course in that relevant links, okay? After that, you'll be going to meet your mentor. She is already here with us. And then moving forward, you'll be going to have a short PPT, which will be related to your course again, and you'll get to know about in detail, right? So, Shravya, you have not missed anything yet. Just two things. One, you will be on mute today, but this is a demo class. So in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely, okay? Second thing, just type your school name and your city name in the chat box. And moving ahead, I would like to give you one tricky question. So you have to multiply your current age with number 9, and you have to write that number in the chat box. You have to multiply your current age with number 9, and you have to write that number in the chat box.
Kritik age is 99. Okay, and Asmin is 108. Okay, so Shravya is joining us from Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir. Okay, and her age is 99. Great. Shravya, could you please turn on your camera? We want to see you. Yeah. Hi, Shravya. Good to see you.
Our classes are very interesting, engaging, and productive also. So I would like to invite Meena ma'am at the platform now. All over to you, Meena ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Kritik, Shravya, Azmin, how are you all doing? Good? Very nice. Azmin, I can't see you. Is there some problem with the video? Okay, so you all know my name. Pooja ma'am has already given my name to you, and I'll just let you know that I've been teaching for around 30 years now. And I've been teaching different subjects, but mostly mathematics, and I love teaching kids like you all because I learned so much from you all. That's the reason, right? So this class also will be doing the same. You'll be teaching me something, I'll be teaching you something. It's going to be mutual, right? Agreed to it? Because you all know so many small tricks, the modern things and all. I may not be knowing it. So I am requesting you all, right? And this being a test series, we will not be going into the elaborate discussion and detailed concept clarity. But while doing the questions, because we'll be doing the test papers, and while doing the questions, whatever concepts we come across, definitely we'll be doing that. And if you have any doubt anywhere, those will be taken care of. But not chapter wise, we will go for concept clarity because this is just a test series. So I hope you are aware of that thing. That this being a test series, we will not go into topic by topic, chapter by chapter, concept clarity. Right? As in when we are doing the questions in the tests, whatever concepts we are coming across, we'll be doing that. Clear, everyone? Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I hope you are clear with it that your session will be going to go fun-filled. So we'll not take much time. So we are moving ahead towards Megha ma'am. Ma'am, can we have a PPT on the screen, please?
Sure, ma'am. I hope PPT is visible to everyone. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. This is a demo interaction program for grade 6 and the subject will be maths. So Olympiad Success, it is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination, India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation and one of its kind yearly program that includes courses which matters. We have 8 courses, School Plus program, having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken Indian, Vedic maths and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, online CBSE plus Olympiad classes from grade 6 to grade 10, and various Olympiad, as you can see on the dashboard, plus JEE mains preparation classes. So these, you can see, these are the rank holders. These are the kids like you only. You just need 2 hour extra curriculum activities from Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. So we are having group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors, significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of breaks. In this session, we will discuss the previous year question from Olympiads. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 2,500. It is a 10-session course, and payment can be made by using this link. The fees includes discussion of 10 mock tests containing the previous year question, which helps to your rank in Olympiads. So, what you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for better audio clarity. So the live classes will be starting from 9th of October, which is on Wednesday. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success has students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Megha ma'am. So students, in case you have any doubt, please feel free to drop it in the chat box. Related to your course or timings or anything. All right, so I'll be going to inform you about the test series batch, that what is test series meant for. Okay, so how this batch is very relevant for you and how it will be helpful for you in your studies and your Olympiad examination. Okay, so what are the timings? Asmin, you have not seen the PPT carefully? All right, no worries. Megha ma'am, can we have a class timings and days in the chat box, please, for everyone? Great. So, what are test series meant for basically? You all have prepared your chapters, right? So now you need to become little more faster in solving the paper, right? So you need to become pro. So for that reason only, these test series batches are meant for. Okay. So you'll be going to cover 10 test papers, previous year papers, which will be going to give you immense practice. So in every class, you'll be going to solve different paper. You will not be going to cover specific topic in detail. You will be going to cover different papers based on different topics, and there will be n number of questions which will be helpful for you to cover up your speed, that how you need to be very quick while solving your Olympiad examination. So what tricks you need to follow while solving your Olympiad examination paper. So your mentor will be going to guide you for the same. So make sure that whichever questions you're finding it a little tricky and difficult, no need to spend more than, like, you can say 30 seconds on one particular question. In case you feel so that this question is difficult, I'm not able to solve it, leave that question for later on, solve that paper first, which you feel so that it is little easy for you and you can solve it in a 2-3 minutes. So prefer to spend 2-3 minutes on each and every question for solvation. If the question is taking more than 30 seconds, 40 seconds to understand what is the question is, then no need to spend time on that initial phase. First solve the other paper, then do this respond tricky questions. Okay. So this is how test series batches are meant for. It will be going to help you for your Olympiad preparation, to boost up your speed and your in-depth knowledge for sure. Right? So yes, anybody else is having any doubt now related to this course, please drop it in the chat box. Class days we have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Class timings will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. Right? So we got it in the chat box. So anything else is there in your mind, do let me know. Otherwise, we are good to go for the demo and we can continue for the same. Ritik, you want to ask something? Asmin, I hope you got your answer. Great. Shravan, do you have any doubt? Okay. Yes, Kritik, I'm waiting for your question. Ma'am, for 3 subjects, what is the fees? So it will be 2,500 per subject, right? So we have our sport number, so you can contact on the same, right? So if you want to enroll for 3 particular subjects, you can contact them. I'll repaste that. So I've sent you number and email. So prefer to call or WhatsApp on these 2 particular numbers. Immediately they'll be going to respond to you between 10 to 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. Okay. I hope you got your answer, Kritik. Otherwise, there'll be 2,500 per subject. It will be 10 session course. Great. Any other doubt? Any other question? Or shall we begin with the demo? Show me thumbs up on the screen. Asmin, you can show me a digital thumbs up if your camera is not working due to internet error. Show me digital thumbs up. Great. Kritik, any doubt? I have not seen your thumbs up yet. I think he's still typing something. You want to ask something, Kritik? No. Okay, great. So over to you, Meera ma'am.
Pooja ma'am, I'm not able to share you'll have to make me the host. I'm not able to share the screen.
You are the co-host. Just check once. I've given you the access.
Only host can share.
Yes,
Yes,
just a moment.
Pooja ma'am, Meena. Make Meena the host. Children, is the board visible to everyone? Shravya, Pritik, you can just show me a thumbs up. Azmin. Okay. So, are we good to go for the questions directly? Right. Let's start. The simple one. Right. Okay, you have to tell me. Estimation product. What is product? Answer of multiplication is called product, right? So estimation of product of 52 and 188. You have to estimate and tell me the product. Write the answers in the chat box. $52, when we round off, we'll get 50. Yes. And 188, very good, Shravya. We'll get 200. So 50 times 200. 3 zeros and 5 times 2 is 10. So this is 10,000. Right? Mentally, we can do this. Any doubt here? Okay, we move to next question. What is the successor? You have to write the successor of negative 111. Very good, Shravya. Whenever we are talking of negative numbers, successor means after that, the bigger number, right? So on the number line, when we look at the numbers, as we move towards the right, we have bigger numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, if you look at it, negative 4, bigger than that is negative 3. So if we go on and on, here if we are having negative 111, before that we'll have negative 110. So successor of 111 is negative 110 based on the number line. Any doubt about the number line? Kritik, are you clear with this? Kritik? You can show me a thumbs up if you understand this. Okay, what is the predecessor of negative 111? Predecessor. Just write, I can't hear today. Normal classes, you can unmute. Predecessor. Very good, Shravya. Predecessor means a number before negative 111. It will be negative 112, right? So with negative integers, when we are talking of integers, with negative integers, it is the opposite of the normal one. In normal, with positive integers, 110 is smaller than 111 and 112 is bigger. But when we put a negative sign, 110 is bigger than negative 111. Clear? Is it clear, beta? Kritik, I can't see you. I think by mistake, your video is off. Okay, we move to another question. Okay, I'm writing few numbers here. 138, 653, 432, and 531. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 but not by 6? They're divisible by 3 but not by 6. Do you know divisibility rules? To check divisibility by 3, we add the digits of that number. It is written on the screen, 138. Shravya, is the screen visible to you, beta? 138, 653, 432, and 531. Out of these four numbers, which one is divisible by 3 but not by 6? So if we add, see, what is divisibility rule for 6? It should be divisible by both 2 and 3, right? So to be divisible by 2, it has to be an even number. Now, these two are odd numbers. So answer will be from these two. It should not be divisible. So either 653 or 531. Right? So if we add 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Here, if we add 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So this is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6, but they want divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 6. Good evening, Komali. How are you? Can you please switch on your video, bacha? We are doing the questions. Okay. Can we move to the next question? Ritik, Shravya, Komali. Okay. So, if we have rational numbers, you have to write the sum of these two integer, rational numbers. You can write the answers in the chat box. When we need to find the addition or subtraction, when we see fractions, rational numbers. Rational number. What is the difference between rational numbers and fractions? Fractions are also having numerator and denominator. Rational numbers are also having this. What are rational numbers? A number which can be represented in the form P by Q, where what is P and what is Q? P and Q both are integers. And Q is not equal to 0. That means denominator cannot be 0. Simple. Right? This is a rational number, definition of rational number. So what are integers now? When we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and on. And these numbers with negative sign also. -1, -2, -3, and on and on and on. It goes on and on in both the direction, positive as well as negative, along with 0. So this group of numbers is called integers, right? What is integers? Is clear, beta? Here we don't have any fraction, right? Only this, like natural numbers with positive sign, natural numbers with negative sign, and 0 also. In layman's language, we will say that. Is it clear what are integers? Clear? Komli, if you can't switch on the camera, you can show me a digital thumbs up so that I know that you are understanding. I really don't know whether you are understanding or not because I can't see you better. Right. So these are integers. Now I am saying P and Q are integers. So that means integers can take positive or negative sign. Maybe in the numerator, I'm having -3. And in the denominator, I cannot have 0, but I can have 2, 3, 4, 5, negative this, that, whatever. Right. You want to say something, bacha? Please type it in the chat box. Today, I can't unmute you in the demo session. That's the reason. If you have any doubt, please type it in the chat box, bacha. So -3/2, this is our rational number. So what is the difference between a fraction, which we have been doing since grade 4, even in 3, we did small fraction. What is the difference? Why we are using another term, rational number? What is the use? Any idea? What is the difference between fraction and rational number? When you were in grade 4, did you use these negative numbers? We only use positives, 2/3, 5/3, right? Whatever definitions we have done, but only with positive numbers. So fractions, we talk only about positive integers, right? We are not taking into consideration negative integers when we are talking about fractions. But when we come to rational numbers, both negative as well as positive integers. Is the doubt clear, beta, everyone? Difference between rational number and fractions? Clear? Okay. So here, this is about sum of rational numbers. So what are we going to do? We will take the LCM as we have done in fractions case. Same thing. So 12 is going to be the LCM here. When 12 is divided by 3, we get 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This 4 when multiplied by the numerator, 4 times 1 is 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 multiplied by -1 is negative. So here, what are we getting? 4 minus plus into minus is minus. So this is equal to 3/12, which we can reduce further. 3 times 1 and 3 times 4, right? So our answer is positive 1/4. Any doubt in this? Simple? Yes? Children, I will appreciate if I get answers in the chat box. I like it. And if you have any doubt, we'll talk about it. I can clarify the doubt. Okay. Okay, let's do something interesting here. Right. I have drawn some circles and I've written some numbers. So this is a kind of series you can see. Right? So when the number at the first step, we are having 3 circles. At the second step, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. At the third step, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. And so you have to tell me how many circles will be there at the 100th step. You have to tell me number of circles. Very good, Kumlai. Excellent. Very good. That's fast. So, Kumlai has written 201. If you look here, when we are on the first step, let this be the center circle in every case, right? Then when we are having 1, we have 1 circle here, 1 circle here, right? 1 and 1, okay? When we are at the second step, look at the number of circles. 2 circles here, 2 circles here. So when we add 2 plus 2, 4 plus this one. So we are having 5 circles here. Now, move ahead. We have 3 circles here, 3 circles here on the third step. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1. Similarly, when we move ahead further, what do we see? 4 circles here, 4 circles here. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 circles. So now you know how the series is moving. On the 100th step, how many circles will we have? 100 up, 100 here, and plus 1, center 1. So 100 into 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 201 circles. Is it clear, beta? Yes, Kritik? Is it clear how we did it? Everyone? Move to next question. Okay. You have to find sum of these integers that I'm going to write. Find the sum of these integers. Negative 13, negative 19, 15, and negative 10. Please write your answers in the chat box. You have to find the sum of these integers. Children, is my language clear? You're able to understand? And my handwriting, what I'm writing, because I'm using a digital pen, so it's not the normal handwriting, but are you able to read and understand what I'm writing? Okay, Kritik, please try to solve this. Yes, Kritik, you want to say something? Please write it in the chat box if you have any doubt, bacha. Yes, Shravya, excellent. Okay, whenever we have to find sum of the integers, similar signs we put together and solve, right? So here we are having negative 13. We are having negative 19. We are having negative 10. And we have to add all of them. So first we add all these negatives together, right? So 19 and 10 is 29. 29 and 13, I give 1 here. So 29 and 1, 30, 30 and 32 and 42. So this is negative 42. I did mental calculation. I made a group. This was negative 29. With 29, from here I gave 1. It became 30. Then 2 was here left, 32. 10, 42. This is how I did it mentally. So please practice this, and please, my request is that please keep on revising your tables. When we need to speed up, we need to practice tables, right? And we are having a positive number. Only one number is there. So this is 15. Now, whenever we are adding and we are having opposite signs. One is positive, one is negative. What do? We subtract and we put the sign of the bigger number. So from 42, we subtract 15. We are getting 27. And the bigger number is 42, which is carrying a negative sign. So here, our answer will be negative 27. Anyone having any doubt in this calculation or any method or anything, anywhere? All clear? Okay. We move to another question. Okay, there's one girl, Anna. She's standing on a rock, which is 7 feet above sea level. Right? She's standing on a rock, which is 7 feet above sea level. Then she jumps from the rock to another rock. She jumps and lands on another rock, which is 3 feet below. Right. Then she further descends. Children, please switch on the video. I don't know whom am I teaching. Then she descends. Because in classes, you'll be having the test paper with you. You'll be having the question paper. It will be, I don't have to write, right? Descends 2 feet down. Here I don't know what's happening to the DigiPen. It's not coming out well. 2 feet down. You have to tell me how many feet did she descend in all? She was standing on a rock, which is 7 feet above the sea level. Then she jumps and she lands on a rock, which is 3 feet below her. Then further, she descends down and she goes 2 feet down. So how many feet has she descended down? Yes, Kumlai, very good. Anna is standing here. Then she jumps here, 3 feet down. Right. And then maybe then she is coming on one step here, 2 feet down. So total, she is coming down 3 plus 2, 5 feet. How many feet did she descend? In all, she descended 5 feet. Clear? Clear, everyone? Children, we've done Roman numerals. We have been doing for so many years now from grade 4. Even sometimes in grade 3 also we do. I'll just give you some symbols and you have to arrange them in ascending order, right? So C, D, V, I, X, M. Please arrange these Roman symbols in ascending order quickly. What is C? 100. D is 500. E is 5. This is 1. This is 10. And this is very good, Shravya. This is 1000. Because we have been asked to write the answer in ascending order. So we are writing 1, 5, 10, 100, 500. And M is 1000. M. Kumlai, are you asking for this question or something else? What is the large number? Here it is M. The largest number here, Roman number here is M. which is equal to 1000. Am I able to answer your query, bacha? Okay. Right. Okay. We have another question now. Let's say there are 3 people going around a circular field, right? There's a circular field. Right. And the circumference of the circular field is 360 kilometers circumference. There's a circular field with circumference 360 kilometers, right? Now there are 3 people and they can travel. One can travel 48 kilometers. The other can travel 60 kilometers. Third one can travel 72 kilometers in a day. Right. My question is, when will they meet again? When will they meet again? They started walking together. Now, one is moving 48 kilometers, I'm tired. Then other one is moving 60 kilometers, tired. Right. Then continuing. One is here, one is there, one is there. What time they will be together? Again. 360 kilometers. Is it clear now, bacha? What is the concept needed here? Can you just write one word for the concept? What? And children, you can write the answers directly to Meena. You need, if you want to write only to me, you can write to Meena. You need not write to everyone. So here for these questions, whenever we have something like this, that you must have seen the traffic lights, they it turns red after, one turns red after 18 seconds, the other one after 24 seconds, and the other one after 30 seconds. So what time will they turn red together? Yes, Komalai, that's correct. Very good. So here, one can walk 48 kilometers on one day and then tired. The other can walk 60 kilometers and then tired. Third one, 70. So we need to find least common multiple when they will meet again. Common multiple, because they're moving ahead. They're going further. They're not going back, right? So in these cases, we need to find the LCM. I hope you all know how to find the LCM. When we find the LCM, we'll get just to save on time if you want. 15, this is 18, 2 times 6, 15 and 9, 2 times 3, 15, 9, 3 times 1, 5, 3, 3, and we have 5, right? When we multiply this, 2 into 5 is 10. Rest of the things we can multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, into 3, 24, 24 into 72, 72 into 10, 720. So LCM will be 720. So this we are talking in terms of kilometer, right? So they will meet again after 720 kilometers. So that, which means what? 720 divided by 360. One circumference is 360. So they will meet after 2 rounds. When they all complete 2 rounds, they will come together, right? They'll meet at after 2 rounds. Is it clear with everyone what we did here? Children, in these type of questions, whenever you have questions like, when will the bells ring together again? When will the traffic lights be red together again? Or these, like, when we are walking on the track or something, like somebody's footstep is maybe 70 centimeters, others is 75, somebody has 60 centimeter footstep. They started together, but because the footstep, when will they put the foot together again? All these type of questions, whenever we see, we find the LCM, least common multiple. Because when will common multiple, I'll just give you an example here, what I mean to say when I'm saying common multiple, so that you can visualize what I'm trying to explain here. I'll try to have the other board, classical board, in the normal classes. Suppose we talk about, let's say, 6 and 8, right? When we talk of multiples, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. When we talk of multiples of 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. Are you all there, children? So we see first common multiple is 24. That is the least common multiple. So when they move together, 6 will move 4 steps and reach 24. 8 will move 3 steps and here they will meet again. Here they will meet. After 24 steps, they will meet again. This is the kind of thing that I'm trying to explain. When will they meet again? They will meet at the again after 24 steps at the least common multiple. Is it clear, children? Please switch on the videos. Right? So I think this is enough for the demo session. I hope you have all understood what we did here. Shravya, Kritik, Komlai, have you understood what we did here? You can show me a thumbs up if you understood what we did here. Because this is not a regular class, children. We are not going into the details, but as and when we come across the concepts, we will cover the concepts. And if you have doubt, we will definitely take those concepts in detail also. We will take those concepts. If wherever we face some confusion or something, we'll take those concepts also in detail. Right? I hope you have understood what we did today. Yes, we did simple questions. We'll have different levels of questions and you'll be having the question paper with you as well so that you can share it. Here, I'll allow you to share the question paper on the screen and then we'll be doing it all together so that we don't waste our time writing the questions and all those things. In the regular classes, we do it like that. Right? Okay, children, see you soon. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye. Anyone having any doubt, beta? Komla, you joined the class little late. If you have any doubt, you can please ask in the chat box today. Rest of the classes, you can unmute yourself, but today you cannot unmute and you'll just have to write your query if you have any. If you don't have any query, just show me a digital thumbs up. Kumlai? Am I audible to you, bacha? Okay. So, take care all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.